Dear students, greetings of the day. Today we are going to see the first prose, hobby turns as a successful career. Okay, in this lesson we are going to learn how the hobby turns as a successful career. Okay, students, look at the warm-up section pictures, then read the questions clearly and then try to answer the questions given there. Okay, try it by yourself. Okay, now we move on to the section 1. Once there was a boy named Mani. He was studying at the school in his village. Once upon a time, one boy was there. His name was Mani. He was studying at the school in his village. Okay, he found it difficult to read and write. His grandfather noticed it and helped him by reading bedtime stories. Okay, here he found it very difficult to read and write. Okay, so his grandfather motivated him, encouraged him by reading bedtime stories. Okay, next, gradually he started reading on his own. Now he not only enjoyed reading but also has started writing his own stories. Here gradually means slowly. Okay, slowly he had an interest in reading and then he started reading on his own. Okay, listening and reading stories is easy, that anybody can do it, but here he has got a courage to write his own stories. Okay, after listening and reading so many stories, he had an interest in writing the own stories. Okay, let us read an essay written by Mani. Now let us start reading the essay written by Mani. Okay, hobbies are the activities that we do in our spare time. Spare means what? Free. Okay, free time. Okay, hobbies are the activities that we do in our free time. Okay, hobbies are unique to people. Unique means different. Okay, some like gardening, a few like photography, many have book reading as their hobby, while others' hobbies are swimming, stamp collection, playing video games and many more. Okay, hobbies will differ from people to people. Okay, according to their interest, hobbies will differ. Okay, some may like gardening, swimming, stamp collection, playing video games. A few like photography. Many have book reading as their hobby. Okay, like that there are many more hobbies to do. Okay, next one. People have hobbies not only to pass their free time but also to do something useful. Okay, people have hobbies to do something useful. They are not having hobbies to just pass their free time. Okay, hobbies help people learn new things, relax after a tiring day and to energize their body and mind. Same is the case with me. I love writing, so it is my hobby. Then hobbies help people to learn new things. Okay, then hobbies give energy to our body and mind if we are tired. Okay, it is just a relaxation to keep our mind free. Same is the case with me. After reading and hearing so many stories from my grandpa, I started writing as my hobby. Okay, because I love writing. So writing is my hobby. Okay. Next, whatever you like to do, make it a hobby, said by Warren Buffett. Here, if you are interested to do whatever you like it, then make it as your hobby. Okay. Next, writing is a unique hobby because most people don't want to exhaust themselves in their spare time. Okay, listen, exhaust means try out. Okay, writing is something very unique. Okay, very unique. Everybody will not have it or like it because most of the people don't like to spend their free time in writing. Okay, many feel that writing is tough, but I don't think so. I feel writing is like painting our voice. Okay, here the people don't like to spend their free time in writing. Okay, because many feel that writing is very difficult, but I didn't think like that. Okay, so I felt writing is like painting my mind voice. Okay, then when I get free time, I pick a pen and a notebook and start painting my ideas in words. Okay, if I get a free time, I took a pen and notebook and start writing my ideas in words. Okay, then I write stories, poems, and sometimes about my feelings. My mind relaxes when I pour my thoughts as words. So writing energizes me. Okay, here I used to write stories, poems, and sometimes about my feelings. Then only my mind get relaxed. Okay, writing gives more energy to pour my thoughts as words. Okay. Next paragraph. When I write things, my imagination is at its best. Okay. When I write things, I imagine so much and I think it at its best. Okay. I imagine a world with magic and magicians where I can fly and birds can talk. Okay. So, in my imagination, I imagine the world with magic and magicians. Okay, in that magic world, I feel like I can fly like a bird. Then I can see the birds can talk. Okay, writing helps me completely immerse into that world. Sometimes I sit with small children and entertain them with these stories of mine. The happiness of their faces makes me to write more and better. Okay, while writing, it helps me to get into that world. Okay, before writing, sometimes I used to share the stories with my nearby children and I used to entertain them. Okay, they will smile and express their happiness. Okay, it makes me to write more and used to write more better stories. Okay, next, although writing is just a hobby for me, yet it is very beneficial. Writing is, it opens my mind to think beyond the little things with a broader mind. Okay, writing is just a hobby for me. Okay, but it is very useful for me to open my mind to think beyond the little things with broad mind. Okay, then it makes me more passionate about my life. It makes me learn new things and enjoy every moment of my life. Okay, here passionate means heartfelt. Okay, hobby makes me to learn many new things and enjoy every moment of my life. Okay, so by writing I feel so happy and enjoy every moment of my life. Okay, next, writing is essay. All you have to do is cross out the wrong words, said by Mark Twain. Okay, next, my hobby helped me in school too. When I started writing things, I was unable to describe them accurately. My hobby helped me in school too when I started writing things. I was unable to describe them accurately. Here, my hobby helped me in school days, okay, while writing when I was unable to describe the things accurately. Accurately means exactly, okay. With the time, my experiences helped me think of new ideas and this made me a good writer. Here, my experience helped me to think of new ideas, okay. This is the main reason that I became a good writer, okay. Next, now I look out for the things which I was not able to see before. Hence, I can describe things better in my stories, okay. Because of good writer, I look out for things which I was not able to see before, okay. Nowadays, I can describe things in my stories in a better way, okay. I feel no problem with writing English essays or stories as it is my hobby, okay. Then there is no problem for me to write English essays and stories because it is my hobby, because writing is my hobby, okay. So I didn't feel anything difficult, okay. To become a better writer, I spent time on learning how to write in different forms like fiction and non-fiction, okay. To become a better writer, I spent more time to learn in different forms, okay. Different forms here, different forms mentions fiction and non-fiction stories, okay. Fiction stories means it is imaginary stories, okay. Then non-fiction stories means real life stories based on true events, okay. Next, it is important to always learn and improve our hobbies. Here, learning is always important to improve our hobbies, okay. Who knows, one day I could be a writer like R.K. Narayan. Here what Mani says is, if I improve my hobbies in a better way means, who knows, one day I will become a writer like R.K. Narayan. Who is R.K. Narayan? He is one of the famous writer, okay. Then read here, they gave you some glossary. Read this glossary as well, okay. Next we move on to the book bag exercise. First one is say true or false, okay. First one, Mani's hobby is playing cricket. Did you think this one is a correct statement? No, because Mani's hobby is writing, okay. So first one answer is false, okay. Second one, hobbies are unique to people. Yeah, it's true because hobbies are differ from people to people, okay. So the second one answer is true, okay. Third one, people have hobbies only to pass time. No, it is a wrong one. So the answer for the third one is false, okay. Next, choose the correct answer. First one, Mani imagined a world with magic and magicians, okay. Here Mani imagined a world with magic and magicians, okay. So the first one answer is magic and magicians, okay. Second one, when Mani started writing things, he was unable to describe them accurately, okay. Second one answer is describe them accurately, okay. Third one, Mani feels writing is like painting the voice, okay. Third one answer is painting the voice, okay. The homework for you is read the glossary, true or false, and choose the correct answer and then write the test, okay. Okay, section 1 got over. I am going to wind up this session now, okay. In next video we will see the section 2, okay students. Thank you.